This is old bro again, and I gotta tell you about another situation that came up. My old friend Bill decided that his wife Margaret was getting hard of hearing. So Bill called up Margaret's doctor to make an appointment to have her hearing checked. The doctor said that he could get her in about 2 weeks. But meanwhile, there's a simple informal test that Bill could give so that the doctor could have some sort of an idea of the dimensions of her problem. Here's what you do, the doc said. You start about 40 feet away from her and speak in a normal conversational tone and see if she hears you. If not, go to 30 feet, then to 20 feet, and so on until you get a response. So that evening, Margaret was in the kitchen cooking dinner, and Bill was in the living room, and he said to himself, I'm about 40 feet away. Let's see what happens. Honey, what's for supper? No response. So he moves to the other end of the room, about 30 feet away, and says, Honey, what's for supper? Still no response. So he moves to the dining room, about 20 feet away, says, Honey, what's for supper? Still no response. On to the kitchen door, only 10 feet away. Bill says, Honey, what's for supper? No response. So he walks right up behind her and says, Honey, what's for supper? Margaret says, for the 5th time, we're having chicken. I think I know who might have the hearing problem. What do you think?